Hello everyone. Finally I have received this parcel. As you can see, that is a huge box that came from Japan on the Japan post. Yeah, I ordered the tuner Sansui TU919, that is the Japanese version. Yeah, audio tuner, no battery. So it's took like almost 2-3 weeks to reach in my country, India. But I was thinking to get it like within 2 weeks. It was expected to get it like 2 weeks, but it was held by the custom, and they were, not convinced with the duty, like the value of the item, and they needed the original invoice. I have to provide them the original invoice. Again, they some back and forth I have to manage to convince them that is the original invoice, and blah blah. Something happened actually, and I have to pay huge amount of custom. Yeah, they charge me a lot. So let me tell you the story. Yeah, that is the Japan band tuner. I knew it. It will not work in India. I have to modify it to work in India. But I took the risk. Unit itself, the seller claimed it was working. Then I bid on it. I have to overbid because I was desperate to get it here. Finally, I managed to pick the bid and pay the price, and totally, that cost me a lot, I must say. But anyway, I'm happy because I needed it. Now the thing is whether the actual product is okay inside or not. It is heavy, like 10 or 11 kilograms, I guess. So let me unbox it, and hopefully everything inside is okay. I don't know, something is torn apart here. Some label or sticker was there, I guess. The custom guy maybe opened it, I don't know, but hopefully everything is okay inside. So let's open the box. My little knife will do that. So first of all, I will cut those documents. I don't know what are those. Let's see. It is the inverse. So now let me open the documents first. All the documentation here, I will see them on later. Let's open the box. packaging is not that impressive. Oh my god, no foam or anything. Is it okay inside? I don't know. Nothing, look. No cushioning or anything. That is the tuner. Oh my god, nothing inside the box. Yeah, I can see already there is the dent mark. Can you see? Yeah. Shit, man. Why? The Suisse. Okay. Yeah, one pad is missing, I guess. I don't know. It is all building. Sansui TU919. It is like TU919. Stacking, definitely something. Okay, it stopped. Yeah, 76 to 90 megahertz. Film selector, output level, wide, narrow, power on off. Packaging is not good, and yeah, it get damaged. Look at the side. Look at that side. Oh my god. I think it is fell from above. Even that side too. Yeah, backside is okay. Thank God antenna is not broken. It is written over there. Okay. Let me get rid of these plastics. One foot is missing over there. And this side is heavily bent. This side is eaten by heavy impact. Look at the corner. Oh my god, it's just high price for that, and I received that like half broken. Code is okay, but it is useless for me. It is not there. AC outlet 100 volt, 22 watt, 100 volt AC input. Okay. Yeah, it is huge, bigger than my expectation. Yeah, TU919 is heavier. So first thing first, I will clean this up and I will try to give power, but I can see already it is tracking and movement is not working properly. Look at the wobbling. Yeah, I unable to register myself to open it. Look inside, there is no dust or anything. It is so clean inside. I thought first someone spray paint it or something, but that is the original painting. So because there is no dust at all, that is so clean inside. Look at that, so clean, man. That was in very good condition. That is the soundboard, the huge tuning condenser, that is like frequency counter or something, transformer, and the I board. Look at that. That is the FM section input, ratio detector. Yeah, no dust at all. So clean, man. And this display board with that I see MSM 5540. That chip is rare. I will be more than happy if the display works. It is so clean. Yeah, a little bit of dust. Inside wise, I am very much happy. Now I have to fix that thing. Wobbling, something broke. So before I power it up, I'm thinking to remove this faceplate and make the tuning knob right, because it is annoying. It's losing and it is gripping. Listen. Yeah. So sorry. So before I do anything further, so I have decided it okay parts or anything. Board seems okay. Yeah, they are loose. To touch them, even the transformer was loose. Tuning gang is okay, no problem there. Tuning cord is some loose, but I will have to make it right. The display board is okay. Switch are working. So it's only missing on foot leg. I think I can manage that. So anyway, now we'll remove this cover and we'll try to fix this knob. Let's see what is wrong with it. I don't know. Okay, look at that, even power supply seems very good condition. Look at these capacitors are in good shape, no problem over there, and I can see the board is totally untouched. So yeah,